Domestically, we have about 6,000 customers, and through our branches and our departments within the corporation, we're doing operations in 26 countries around the world.
ResMed's an innovative company. It's the need to be able to have products where they're needed, when they're needed, to manage our inventory.
At Ledestri, our supply chain is actually very complex. We produce over 1,000 different products across our 24 production lines. There's no way you can do it on a paper basis.
Because we have so many items, it's a little difficult to keep all of them in stock all the time, and we need to know when we can promise for those.
We use Oracle as our backbone for our supply chain and really our production process. We've been able to save more than $2 million through disposals by having the visibility that we needed.
When we went to demand in the cloud, we rethought our entire demand planning process. So we rethought our organizational structure, our forecasting, our methodology. It's an opportunity to basically evolve.
Our team loves it. It really gives them visibility that they never had before. We look at Oracle being a key partner in that journey forward.
Having the name Oracle behind the product definitely gave us confidence and credibility to go into a product that we knew we could trust in. One thing that we're really proud of right out the gate of our implementation is we've already seen an 81.5% increase in our on-time shipments. The cloud gives us tools that we never had before, and we would never have that opportunity to go forward.